Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this we're going to compare the CPU throttling test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Realme GT device. And this CPU throttling test which I'll try to run for about continuously 30 minutes of time. Yes friends, for 30 minutes with the highest threads as possible, which are 100 threads I'll try to use. That's the maximum number of threads I can actually use right now. And let's see how well the Snapdragon 870 will be behaving when compared with the Snapdragon 888 processor. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So first, all the Wi-Fi and everything is disabled at this moment and all the background applications are completely closed. And as you can clearly see friends, 100 threads and 30 minutes of time. This is very much intense testing which I'm going to do right now, comparing between these both phones. So let's start the test. So with the same settings, everything is pretty same. Again, I'll be back friends after maybe 10 minutes of time. For every 10 minutes, we'll try to go through the overall graph and overall performance score, how much it is there during this process of demonstration. Snapdragon 870 and 888. And both phones are running the Realme UI 3.0 version, but which is stable update in this device and which is still the beta update in the Realme GT Neo 2. And I will be back after some time. So till then, we'll try to continue this test continuously for 30 minutes of time. After some time, again, I'll be back, maybe 10 minutes later. So as you can clearly see friends, after 10 minutes of time, exactly what's happening between these two phones. 39.8 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees, the Snapdragon 888 processor and Snapdragon 870 also increasing high temperatures. But you can take a look at the graph, like slightly kind of maintaining very good stable performance. And you can see the Snapdragon 888 processor, what's happening here, slightly kind of decreased. And you can see the performance score also got decreased. You can see. And I'm going to be back after 20 minutes of time. Let's see in the 20 minutes what's going to happen. So right now, as you can see friends, we did reach kind of close to 23 minutes as well. After 23 minutes, look at the graph in the Realme GT Neo 2. It's kind of very stable. It did not even decrease any performance at all. Always stop to the 100% as you can see friends after 23 minutes of time. This is with the Snapdragon 870 chipset in the Realme GT Neo 2. And it is a Snapdragon 888 processor. And you can see slightly kind of decreased, but there is no red color indication. So let's see. Again, I'll be back after 30 minutes of time. That will be the final test. And then we can actually discuss more things about the graph after 30 minutes of time. So right now, as you can see, friends, we are getting close to end of the CPU throttling test results after 30 minutes of time. And now we'll try to exactly check the temperatures at the final test. 40.4 degrees Celsius in the Snapdragon 870 and Snapdragon 888 processor also increased to 40.6 degrees Celsius. So no CPU throttling detected and CPU throttle up to 88% of its maximum performance. And you can see the performance scores. So maybe with the software updates to maintain low temperatures, the performance must have been downgraded in the Realme GT device. So that might be the reason why you're seeing slightly low scores than the Snapdragon 870 chipset. That's kind of shocking to see. Absolutely the maximum, minimum and the average. Everything is really higher in the Realme GT Neo 2 in the Snapdragon 870 rather than Snapdragon 888 processor. So this is a quick comparison friends between these both phones after running for 30 minutes of time. These are the test results which we got. And meanwhile, signing off. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.